So hi, this is the demonstration for the pothole detection system. So here is the website AxelGuard pothole detection system. So we have installed MDVR dashcams cameras in the vehicle, and directly all the feeds are coming on our servers, and directly we get the data from there also. Also we can add manually the videos, and this system will automatically detects potholes and other things and give you the evidence of the potholes. So now we are uploading a video file. So this is a video, just we are manually uploading a video. So now video is uploading. Okay, so here you can see vehicle number is this 7078, and evidence of this time also mentioned here. So when the video will upload, then it will start its AI algorithm. So just wait for the algorithm. Okay, so now video has been uploaded, and just wait for some time. Okay, so right now we have to do analyze. So now, okay, so video is analyzing. So as you can see, this we are the video is running frame by frame. It will detect potholes when available, and it will give you the evidence on the right side. So now, so it's detect the potholes, you can see. So it detects the potholes, this pothole detection. So we can see in the right side, this pothole detected, this pothole detections, these pothole detected, these pothole detected, and also we can check in which frame the pothole was detected. The side by side the video is analyzing, we are getting the pothole details here. In the evidence centers, we will get the device number, vehicle number, the date and time, which you can see mentioned here, also the latitude longitude of the location of the potholes. So you want to check in the later on also, you want to check the potholes, you just have to go on this location. You just put these coordinates on Google Map, you will directly go into the map. So now these other pothole detections, these pothole detections here. Okay, now these pothole detected, these pothole detected,